Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to connect now. Power on the PS5, sign into the user account, and open Settings, then Network. Once inside Network, choose Set up Internet Connection and pick Wi-Fi or use a LAN cable. If you choose Wi-Fi, select your SSID and enter the password carefully. Make sure case and symbols match. If using Ethernet, plug the cable into the PS5 and proceed. This gets you past the initial handshakes and moves you to testing and configuring the connection. Once done with the basic setup, run Test Internet Connection to confirm IP address, NAT type, and latency. If speeds or DNS resolution are poor, switch from automatic to manual DNS and enter 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to improve lookup times. Make sure NAT type is not strict. If it is, reserve a manual IP in your router and forward PS5 ports or enable UPnP on the router to open ports automatically. After changes, rerun the test to verify. To finish, sign into PlayStation Network and try an online game or download to confirm stability and speeds under load. If you experience disconnections, restart the router and the PS5, then retest. Physical Ethernet will usually be more stable than Wi-Fi, especially for multiplayer. Make sure firmware on the router is current and the PS5 MTU remains default unless advised. If problems persist, switch DNS back to automatic. Power cycle all devices and contact your ISP only after you've ruled out local configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.